In the last video, we learned about the 15 problems which the people face while writing prompts. And we learned about all the 15 problems, and then we also learned about a powerful framework, a simple three steps framework, which helps you in writing the prompts effectively. And I explained you step by step how to write the prompt using the ICF framework and how to frame the prompt effectively so that we can generate good results, we can generate effective results. So hi everyone, this is Bazil Hulmani and I welcome you to my channel. And in today's video we are going to learn about in this video we are going to learn about how I write prompts like a pro. So certain techniques I will be using, and I will explain you how you can also write prompts like a pro. So, firstly, I would like to introduce to a term. This term is known as potent prompts. So there are this is the word which is used in prompt engineering, which are called potent prompts. So let me keep it simple for you. So what is a potent prompt? A potent prompt is a prompt which enables the AI model to generate results more effectively and more efficiently. So that is what it does. And potent means something which is powerful and something which is enhanced, something which is upgraded. So potent prompts. Just a moment. Uh, Potent prompts. So now what going to do is I'm going to share an interesting hack with you over here. So this hack you can use as well, and this is the hack which I use just to improve the efficiency and the effectiveness of the result which ChatGPT generates for me or which any other AI tool. So let us consider ChatGPT first, because ChatGPT is miles ahead, way ahead of the other AI tools, and it is way ahead of the competition. And so we will take the example of ChatGPT over here. So let me share the hack with you. What is the hack? So this is how I write the prompt in ChatGPT. So please convert the following prompt into a potent prompt dash, and then you write your prompt over here, whatever your prompt is. So this is the hack which I use. So please convert the following prompt into a potent prompt, and then I write my prompt over here, whatever my prompt is. So when I give this prompt, so what ChatGPT does is it writes a more effective and a more enhanced version of the prompt which you have already written over here. And the prompt gets, it's like an upgrade to a prompt. So the prompt's effectiveness is increased, and ChatGPT writes the prompt for you in a much effective way, much efficient way, and smoothly. So this is what happens. So what you have to do is this is the step one, and then we have the step two. So step two is you have to uh, simply copy paste this prompt. Copy paste the prompt which will be generated by ChatGPT, which will be written by ChatGPT. So first you have to give this prompt like please convert the following prompt into a potent prompt. You have to write your prompt over here after the hyphen, and then it will generate the prompt for you. And then whatever the prompt that ChatGPT will generate, so in the next step, you just have to simply copy paste. Copy paste it in a separate chat. So that is what you have to do. And when you will copy paste it, the response which will be generated by ChatGPT it will be a much more efficient, and it will be a much better, like a 10x better or a 100x better response, which will be generated by ChatGPT. So this is one of the hacks which I use. And so this was the first hack. Let me take you through the next hack. So just give me one moment. And I hope you liked my ICF framework, the ICF framework which I shared in the previous video, and I hope you are understanding it. So we will revise it in this video as well. So just give me one moment. Uh, so in the previous video, I gave you an example of how to make ChatGPT write a prompt, and I gave you that example of the Pushpada rule, and with the example I explained you. So now I will explain you how, one step ahead, what exactly, how using this keyword, the potent prompt, you can write the prompt, and you can use that prompt into a you can use that prompt, you can copy paste it, and you can then see the result generated by ChatGPT. Now let us consider the example. I have to create a video using InVideo AI. So I will use the ICF framework. ICF framework. Uh, Let me take you through it once again. So I is for intent, C is for the correct choice of words, and F is for framing the sentence correctly. So this is the powerful framework which I'll be using again. So let me write the prompt for you, and let me explain you how to use potent prompts, how to combine these two, and then use it, leverage it to generate effective result. Now I will write the prompt for you. So I mean, I'm sharing my experience how I use. So let me write the prompt for you. Uh, Please write. Now this prompt I'm giving to ChatGPT. So I will write ChatGPT over here. Uh, Please write a potent prompt uh, to be given to InVideo AI for a viral YouTube short, YouTube short on the topic. Uh, on the topic, let's take a topic over here. So the topic would be AI in finance. I'm just giving you an example over here. AI in finance, and use hook progression climax framework. Uh, it's looking like a, oh, just give me one moment. Use hook progression climax framework for the script, and then make the short relevant, uh, authentic, uh, impactful, interesting, engaging, and entertaining. Entertaining. Uh, so now the prompt is not complete yet. So let me just complete it and then explain you everything. So start with an interesting hook. Interesting hook and include a CTA to share the short and subscribe to my channel. uh, Bazil Hulmani. uh, Two important things are remaining, so let me include it. Use 100% licensed media. uh, we wanted to use only that media which is usable, I mean, which is not like a copyright prone media. So because if we use copyright media, then the video gets flagged for copyright if you upload it on YouTube. So I have included this: use 100% licensed media, and include the voiceover of a beautiful Indian woman. So finally our prompt is complete. Let me read it for you. So this completes our prompt, and just give me one moment. Okay. So let me read the prompt for you. Please write a potent prompt to be given to InVideo AI for a viral YouTube short on the topic AI in finance. Use hook, progression, climax framework for the script. Make the short relevant, authentic, impactful, interesting, engaging, and entertaining. Start with an interesting hook and include a CTA to share the short, and subscribe to my channel, Bazil Hulmani. Use 100% licensed media and include the voiceover of a beautiful Indian woman. So now what will happen over here is, when I will give this prompt, and so ChatGPT will write a prompt which will write a potent prompt which will be given to InVideo AI. And so what I have to do is, I have to simply copy paste the prompt which will be generated by ChatGPT. Simply copy paste it, copy it from ChatGPT and paste it in InVideo AI, the AI which I will be using to generate the viral YouTube short. So what I've done over here is, I have used the ICF framework again, yet effectively. Uh, So my intent is to tell ChatGPT to write a potent prompt to be given to InVideo AI, and that is my intent. And then I have the choice of my words is correct. I have used all the correct words over here, like the potent prompt, InVideo AI. So these are all the choice of words. Viral YouTube short, and on the topic AI in finance. So these all comes under the choice of words. So use hook, progression, climax framework. So this is a framework which is used for viral YouTube shorts. Hook, progression, climax. So this is also under the choice of words. Make the short relevant, authentic, impactful, interesting, engaging, entertaining. So that is why I emphasize more on choice of words. Why choice of words is more important? It is important. And then start with an interesting hook and include a CTA to subscribe to my channel. Use 100% licensed media. This will also come under the choice of words, and include the voiceover of a beautiful Indian woman. So because I had to make things interesting, so that is why I included that last part, beautiful Indian woman. So now this is what completes the prompt, and this is the another hack which I use. The secret hack is tell. Just a moment. Uh, the secret hack over here is, just a moment. Uh, Tell ChatGPT itself to write the prompt. Uh, Tell ChatGPT itself to write the prompt. So this is the secret over here. This is the hack which I use over here. And now that doesn't mean that you the human involvement will be there, and that is the reason that there is a value for prompt engineer and prompt engineering. That's where prompt engineering comes into play, because even if we are telling ChatGPT to write the prompt, then it is like important to tell ChatGPT to write a prompt, and it is important that human involvement must be there, so that the end result which is generated, it is generated effectively, efficiently, and smoothly. So that's all for this particular video, and we will continue in the next video, and I will be sharing more hacks with you. And so if you liked this video, do drop a like on this video, and do tell me in the comment section what else do you want to learn in the AI and prompt engineering. Your suggestions and recommendations are important for me, and share this video more and more in your social media, so that people get to know about hacks for writing effective prompts. And so also don't forget to subscribe to this channel, AI with Bazil. So until then, this is Bazil signing off.